Hi, this is Mark with a quick update for stocks and gold and silver and my cannabis play. So this is gold. Now gold this year is up 67% just for the physical metal. So those of you who have been following along with me on this gold journey for the last 5 years should be very happy. And altogether it's up 200% I think, since we started buying again after the COVID crash. Silver, even better, this year is up 125%, and as you know, I have been banging on all year about the fact I have twice as much silver as gold and explained all the reasons. And you can see plenty of M2 breaks here. This was a pullback, this was a fib pullback into a level again, but these were all fundamental reasons for buying these. Now, one thing to note, sent out to my investing group yesterday, this is gold versus silver. And gold has fallen now significantly against silver since the summer. And as ever, we look to the left. And when we look to the left, we will notice that in May 2021, it bounced to the point off the same area where it bounced yesterday. And in March, it poked through, but then reversed back up significantly. And again, in 2016, this was to the point where this bounced. So what I said to my investing group yesterday, either silver would be due a retrace, which is to be expected after the moves have had, or it could be that gold is going to go on a run. So as ever, if you're going to invest or trade in metals, keep your eye on M2 and keep your eye always looking to the left to see what's going on. Now, Bitcoin, I did actually just buy a bit more Bitcoin this morning. I had a bit of spare cash. I've been doing some rebalancing on my portfolio, and I'm willing to still keep putting some money into Bitcoin and Bitcoin related stocks. And in terms of stocks as well, one of my best stocks this year, this is First Majestic Silver. Again, I've shared this with you. Again, this was consolidation in spring when for fundamental reasons I was buying more than ever. And this stock is up 212%. And I think EXK last year was up 260%. And in this year, it's only up 186%. So once again, being in the right market at the right time has been a very profitable year for yours truly, and I hope you have benefited as well. And then the cannabis play I've been involved in since about August time, and I was alerted to this from one of the subscriptions I paid for, and it's called Pristine Capital. The guy doesn't do many trades at all in a year, but this one suggestion alone has made me a significant amount of money this year, as well as my investing group as well. So this is Cannabis Corporation. This was all to do with Trump quite probably going to reclassify cannabis in the US, and this is more to do with the tax breaks for the companies. CGC, Cannabis Growth here, actually is a Canadian company, but they should benefit from a more liberal US regime. And so I've been in CGC, I have been in MSOS, which is an ETF, and that today has bounced significantly. I started buying in May. I must be cost averaging around here, so that's up 100% in the last 3 or 4 weeks. TLRY is another one, Tilray Brands. They got hammered a bit the other week because hemp was being banned for now. And I bought in here earlier and got out, break of the 200 and things, in November. And then I bought in again down here at a level at 710. And as of today, it's just spiked up 100% in the last 10 days again. Now, Trump is strongly rumoured to be going to make the announcement today at 1:30 Eastern time. So hence, I suspect why the markets have bounced up yet again. This is Village Farm Foods. Actually, I bought this because they were actually making money without the benefit of these tax breaks that will be coming in. And this one I would like to hold out of all of them. It's the one, and probably MSOS as well, which is the ETF. But my thinking is I aim to take all the profit today. I've taken 50% off here, took a bit more off again yesterday. I'm waiting for a final spike, hoping for a final spike for the balance, and then I will be out. And then I will be looking to buy in on dips, because often you get these crazy moves with news, as you know, and then especially over the holiday period when it's going to be quiet, one would presume. I am anticipating for a pullback anywhere below $4 on VFF. Bought a bit of Amazon last couple of days down here, 78.6 fib, major previous support and resistance, trend line 200 EMA. You get the picture. Also been buying a few crypto stocks as well as, and I can't remember with coin, if I bought coin the other day. Did buy one of the ETH ETFs as well as. Okay, I hope that helps. Again, this is all using M2, but it's more fundamentals than technical when it comes to investing for me. And I'm also looking today to add a little more to some of my uranium plays. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed your time with us this year, and more importantly, hopefully it's been very profitable for you. And if it hasn't, then study over the holiday period, and maybe consider having some private coaching for next year to help you to get to where you want to be. Ashley's going to be taking some time off over Christmas. He's off to India for a few weeks, 3-4 weeks, I think, for holiday, and for some sunshine as well. Righty-ho, we will all be around over Christmas and the New Year, and with some posting, and start properly again next year. So in the meantime, I'd like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a very happy, healthy and prosperous New Year.